Please stand by, as an emergency alert has been issued by local authorities. Please stand by. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 6:23 p.m., in New York City, Bryant Park, there has been an unidentified creature, taking lives of others, acting very strange when it comes into contact with other creatures different from them. We do not know the cause of this behavior, but we highly encourage you to not interfere with this dangerous creature. But if you are near this location, please do the following instructions. At this time, lock the following entrances to your house, which includes doors, windows, backyards, and any other spots that leads to inside of your home, and etc. Also gather food, water, medical supplies, flashlight, weapons, clothing, and any other useful equipment. Do not exit your shelter unless the all-clear message is given. If any of your family members or pets go missing, do not try to investigate. It is not worth it. If this creature breaks into your house, use your weapon to defend you and your loved ones. If failing to do so, evacuate immediately to another shelter and call 911. Do not make any noise, and stay safe.